G'day guys, it's Alex and
Ruben!
Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au, and today is Disclosure Day.
It is. Why is it Disclosure Day, Alex?
Well, let's just jump in and find out, Rubes. This is one thing that we've been waiting on for a little while, and quite a few inquiries coming in. So it is the Scottsdale Aliens.
It is, and it's the 2025. Even though we are filming in 2026, the Aliens are kind of 1 year delayed. The 2025 comes out in 2026. The 2024 was for 2025, etc., etc.
That's right, time-space continuum type of thing.
That's
Don't worry
it.
about it.
By the time this alien technology arrives here in Australia, it's taken some time to get here.
All right, so we have here what looks like the 1 ounce variants.
Interestingly, no monster box present. We normally get these ones in a kind of cardboardy monster box, but just an interesting note there.
I wish they came in an actual monster box.
It would be cool. I would love to see an alien monster box from Scottsdale.
Ooh, with glowing green eyes.
Ooh.
Now let's have a look. Oh, that looks pretty sweet. I dare say this is my favourite of the Alien series so far.
I don't know if I like or dislike, and people can maybe comment down below, the fact we're almost getting very different aliens each time. Like, if I remember back to the first one, they looked very, very different to these. It's not like it's, the same species, as it were, kind of in and out every year. It seems to be changing a little bit.
Those look like the drones. These look more like the architects.
Well, that's it. They are kind of launching this as the architect. I think it's kind of a series within a series. So it'll be interesting to see what happens with that.
So that's the 1 ounce in the silver. And we'll jump right into the next box. And I think,
You could just be really strong, Alex.
I could be. I did have my coffee already. But
Breakfast of champions.
I am just thinking this is the much sought after 1/10 gold.
Yes, it is also the only variety in the gold we're getting through this time. We haven't got any of the 1 ounces in this unboxing or on order.
All right, here we go. Ooh, something a little bit different. Some slip cases.
Yes, I think they've had those. We've had those before for one of the other gold minted bars, I believe. Kind of cool.
All right. Oh, it's a bit. There we go. Ooh, Certi locks, nice. Oh, I like this. Look at that.
Wait, let me get the reflection on it. There we go. Wait. Whoa, there we go. Kind of see it.
Beauty. All right. This is something a little bit different. Oh, here we go. This is the 1/10 gold indeed. They're pretty nifty. I like these. It's reminiscent of the 1 gram Scottsdale bars for anyone that's seen those.
And as it says on there, only a mintage of 1,000 on the 1/10s.
Yeah, and it looks like we've got a decent chunk in. There's a couple of these boxes, and
there's more.
There is one more type here. So let's have a quick look. And I think we know what these is in a larger box, don't we, Rubes?
We've got a pretty good guess. We are hoping and expecting a 5 ounce silver variety.
All right, let's have a look. And I do love these Scottsdale boxes.
See, that's what I was expecting. Although an alien themed one, I'm still voting for.
That would be cool. That would be cool. That would be out of this world, Rubes.
Let's do the grand reveal. Yeah, they're not facing us. That's all right.
But there we go. I mean, personally love the design. Love the pyramidical structures in the background. We don't know where that is.
If we got another one there, we can show the other side of it as well. Sometimes there, there we go.
And yeah, this is the obverse there.
So legal tender. It is a coin. Legal tender in Samoa.
And I love in the whole series the different phases of the moon.
Yes. No, very, very cool attention to detail there.
Very cool indeed. Yeah, like I said, love these ones. A little bit of variety. Finally, the 110s are here. I know quite a few of you have been asking about that. So here they are, and who knows how long they'll last.
We will see. Links will be down in the description for these, and yeah, as we said, no longer on pre-order, which is exciting. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Thanks very much, Alex.
See ya.